Good morning, everyone. King here, back for another video. So I was sent this link to a video where a lady is talking about how a black family in Georgia is fighting to save their property from the county. So I'm going to react to this video and see what is really going on. I think it's only right that I do so based on my experience with dealing with air property and family and everything else. Things I've been saying for the past 2-3 years on, hey, follow the rules and laws. Use the rules and laws to protect the property because, again, these counties and these corporations and big businesses and private land developers are coming for these properties. The air property is more of a target than somebody who owns one person that owns the land or a corporation, a land trust, whatever case may be. So, without further ado, let's get into this video.
A black family in Georgia is in a huge battle with Gwinnett County, who's trying to take their land that they've owned for more than 100 years. It's called the Promised Land.
I'm gonna do some more research on that.
Promised Land was a former plantation, and the county has already purchased several lots, including the big house, which has been turned into a historical site. Now the county wants more land, and they have been sending lowball figures to the 93-year-old owner whose health is declining and who also has dementia. And so the other family members are basically saying that the county is now trying to force them to sell this land by eminent domain. And so now they're headed to court to see if they can forcefully take this land from this black family. Now, the family is saying that the county wants the land so that they can do Civil War reenactments without bringing up the history, the rich African history surrounding the land. So this family needs our support. If you're in that area, show up at that meeting. I think it's going to be later this month here in April, to support this family.
And that's so unfortunate that's happened to this family in Georgia. But as I said before, that there's rules and laws in the books to save land, protect property. There's rules and laws in the books for these counties and corporations, right? These land developers to come get their property, such as eminent domain. And that's why it's important that we as black landowners, or if you're a landowner per se, I mean, they said in the video that there was only one owner of the property, and he or she was 93 years old, but suffered from dementia, and health is declining. But why wouldn't a family come together and say, okay, family member, whoever that person is, grandparent, great grandparent, whoever, sign over the property to create a land trust. Get it from him, get it from out of their name, put it in a land trust to where all can benefit, all can protect it, and come together and have voting rights and organize. This is what I'm talking about. You need to organize. Having some, backwoods, backyard, under the table type organization, or like an informal structure of just people coming together. Okay, that's fine. But the outside world is threatening how y'all do business. You gotta have a structure. You gotta have rules and laws. You gotta have the bylaws. You gotta have the articles of incorporation. You gotta have documentation to prove that no, we are legit. We're a legit organization. We're legit, right? Because now they realize, okay, it's gonna be more of a fight. How long? It's gonna be case in point when the road. When the property was damaged due to the storm, when the roads caved in, collapsed, was washed away, Marion County went and did what they wanted to do. They didn't come to us and ask permission. They didn't come to us. They didn't put calls into no meetings. All because other people that were not heirs of property but utilized that road and whatever case may be, they went around us. It wasn't until we brought it up that they come to us, but they still went around us because we saw that we could not get it done. We cannot organize it. We're still in litigation. We're still involved in legal action, trying to determine who the heirs to the property. But yet, Marion County didn't bring us in. I'm sure that Gwinnett County, whoever's, hey, they're doing what they're doing. They're trying to force these people. I mean, I would ask. I want to know is there a air property partition act that's signed by the governor? Like here in South Carolina, like Governor Haley before she went off to be under President Trump for when she was going to be the ambassador to the UN, she signed into law in 2017 the Air Property Partition Act. And it breaks it down how to deal with air property, right? But before you force to sell it, you got to acquire the title. So if the title's quiet, but the people got to use the rules and laws in the books to protect the property. I can't say it enough. I'm stressing enough. But if people not listening, and the first order of business is to move trailers on a property versus having the land surveyed or not organizing to where, hey, let's follow Orson Corporation. Let's have a board. Let's have bylaws. Let's do this. Let's do that. But, we're going to move a trailer on a property because so-and-so needs a place to stay. Or we're gonna lease the land for hunting, but don't have insurance, no liability insurance, no insurance to protect the forest in case there's a fire or natural disaster, no insurance to have monies in case the road collapses or there's flooding or something. Yet, that's the first order of business is to move trailers on a property or sign up with a property for hunting and fishing and everything else, but you ain't got no insurance. Does that make any sense? So again, it's unfortunate. I'm gonna do some more research on this property in Georgia. I'm gonna get back to y'all. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in another video. All right, take care. Peace.